Have you ever struggled with loneliness? Maybe because of death, distance, disease, or divorce? You find yourself feeling isolated, abandoned. I'm Anne Graham Lotz, and I have felt loneliness knocking at my door, but it has not come in. And the reason is because of the constant companionship of the Holy Spirit. I'd like to invite you to join me in an 8-session video-driven Bible study to discover who the person of the Holy Spirit is, because He also can be your constant companion. Who is the Holy Spirit? He is all that Jesus is without the man's physical body. He is Jesus without skin. He is Jesus in me.